time waiting for him to come around. Let's go ahead and remove the oxygen. I don't think he will make it alive. It's the truth.
Doctor. Sorry, did I hear you right? Doctor, only the family has the right to have him unplugged. You can't make that decision.
Yes. Nurse Clara, but he's stressing us now, including the mom. That woman is old.
Well, the mother is the reason why we should leave him there plugged. That is her only child. He has a chance of survival and we must allow him fight for his life.
Nurse Clara, see, this thing is generational curse. The same thing happened to his father. His father was in coma 6 good months and at the end he did not make it.
Well, the father didn't make it doesn't mean the son will make it. I'm sorry. Doctor, you can't. You cannot unplug him without the family consent. I thought you were his friend.
Yes, he's my childhood friend.
I'm beginning to doubt that friendship.
What do you mean by that?
Well, only the family has a right to say if he should be unplugged or left there.
I am part of the family. Doctor, I am part of the family. That's what I'm saying. I'm saying it now. The mother, they know me very well. Doctor, go ahead and move the oxygen.
Doctor,
this man will rest in
listen
peace.
to him. My hands are tied. Calm down. You can't listen to him.
The more he's here, his bill is accumulating, and I'm going to pay the thing now. I don't have money to be paying for all these things now. Eh? Doctor, let's go ahead and move the oxygen.
If the man has a fighting chance, let's give him the chance to fight.
You. What were you doing with the man I caught you with yesterday?
What are you saying? Is someone trying to frame me up? I didn't do anything. I don't even know what you're talking about.
What is this? Come here. What is this? You're cheating under my nose, Jovinta.
No.
Isn't it?
No. It's not what you think. I didn't.
It's not what I think. You're now baby, right? Huh? You're stammering now, right? Jovinta, it's a shame that I saw you with my 2 eyes and you're denying it. You're lying to me.
Baby.
You're kissing the guy, romancing him in public. I saw you with my 2 eyes, following him right deep into his house. Only God knows what you went to do. You went to fuck him, right?
No! I didn't. Nothing like that ever happened. I didn't sleep with him or anyone. Babe, I'm sorry. Please.
I did everything for you. Everything a man could do for a woman. Everybody wanted me. My family wanted me. They told me not to go close to you, but I defended you. I stood by you. So you want to disgrace me in public? Huh? I've done everything for you. Everything a man could do for a woman, I did it for you. There's a saying that goes, a pig will always remain a pig. No matter what you do to clean that pig, it will remain in the gutter.
No. I'm sorry. Babe, please forgive me. It will never happen again.
I'm going out now. When I'm back, I don't want to see you here.
No, I'm sorry.
Go out of my house before I come back.
You can't do that to me. I'm sorry. I will never cheat on you.
Let me not see you when I'm back. You won't like me.
Babe, listen.
I've told you.
Babe, I am sorry. Don't do that. Please, don't do. You didn't have to listen to me. I don't. Yes. Oh, goodness. What have I done?
My life is literally falling apart. I've been driving around the circle for the past 30 minutes. I don't even know where I'm even driving to. Oh God, what did I ever do to Juvinta to deserve what I got from her? If Esutse had told me Juvinta would do this to me, I wouldn't have believed. She hit me so hard below the belt. To think she cheated on me with a good-for-nothing boy who does nothing in this but sleep with anything under the skirt.
Jesse, my son. God, I hope nothing has happened to him. He's all I've got. Jason, I hope you are okay in the city. Hey, Chimo. Jason, no. My hands are shaking, God.
I just shot myself on the leg. I am sure this is the handwork of the witches in my family. Cloud9. Cloud9 has finished me. I am finished. I'm dead. What have I done? What have I done? So this is how I've lost everything. My relationship. Jason. Cloud9. What am I even doing with Cloud9? God. Babe. Babe. Don't you think you've been on this all day?
Babe, I need to finish this, okay? It's piling up. I need to send emails so I can get a response as fast as possible.
I know, but this can wait. Don't you think you're stressing life so much out of you?
Babe, at least you should have allowed me to finish this, please.
I know, but I'm sorry. Huh?
You're such a bad girl.
I know, and that's why I love you. Oh, you're crazy. Oh! Babe. Babe.
What is it?
Don't you think you need to top up?
What do you mean top up?
Your sexual performance is 0.
Beg your pardon? You said we should make love. Made love to you twice now. Do you want to kill me?
No. You succeeded in doing nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Really?
Yes. Okay, let me ask this. Why is it so difficult for you to get me up there? Take me to cloud 9. Is it too much for you to do?
Juvent, what I did is what I could do. I can't do more than what I did.
No, you're not getting it, You're forgetting to do the first thing first. That's it.
What's the first thing?
You're supposed to do the first thing first before hitting me. But instead, you keep hitting me.
What's the problem?
Fine. Since you don't know, I am going to lecture you. You're supposed to, kiss me all around. Kiss me all around my neck, my cheek, everywhere. Caress me. You go down here. Use your finger. You touch me. You make me mourn. You take me up there. Before you know it, I'll get so wet. And everything will be so smooth. You keep smooshing me. You touch me. You hold me like, you want to choke me. Hello?
Baby. Baby. Wake up. Wake up.
Hey.
Yes, I got your food, okay?
Good morning.
Good morning, darling. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. I got a breakfast, wake up.
Oh, babe, breakfast in bed.
Yes.
I haven't even brushed.
It's okay. I'm the one that kissed you last, so it's fine.
Oh, thank you.
You will love it.
Sure.
Yeah. I need to run downstairs now to go and continue the dishes, okay?
Thank you.
Stop thanking me. Oh, yeah. See you soon.
Thank you, babe. He's nice though, but he has only one problem, which is poor performance in bed. Hey!
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you.
Thank you for what? I told you should stop thanking me. I'm your husband, okay? It's my responsibility to take very good care of you.
I like that. Well, I'm thankful to God for giving me a man like you.
Okay. Babe, look. I love you. And I thank God today you made me set my eyes on you. I really appreciate that, okay? And I promise you, we'll always take very good care of you.
I love you more. I'll love you for the rest of my life.
Thank you. I need to finish this, okay?
First of all, why not take me upstairs and before all of this, then we can come back to this.
Babe, let me watch this.
No way, let's go, babe.
Are you sure you're ready for me tonight?
Why not?
This morning?
Babe, let's go.
What can I have it in the kitchen?
You sure?
Yes.
I can bend over.
Oh, okay. Well, I can actually drop. Let me.
Come on then. Oh, babe.
Babe.
Remember how I taught you, right?
Yes.
Did I follow every step?
Okay. Okay.
Babe, no. It's not about taking off the clothes.
So what should I start with?
Oh, babe, come and eat me. Everything. You know, choke me, kiss me, arrest me, all of that. Babe, stop dwelling the moment.
It's a gradual process.
Really?
Yes.
Is this how we're going to continue? We're getting married. Babe, please.
I will learn with time, okay?
There is no time for that. Come and eat me. Oh. I like it hard. Come.
You like it hard?
Yes.
Please, I'm not used to doing it hard, okay? The way I'm used to is to take very good care of a woman, you know, handle her maturely, softly, yeah.
No, I don't want it like that, okay? I like my man hitting me hard, back to back, hot, dig me, hit me, baby. Treat me like a man that you are. Give it to me, babe. Come on. Hard. Come and eat me up. Babe, you don't want to eat this? What have I done? What do I do? Jason has been a good man. All he did was to see me happy. He lavishes money on me. He loves me genuinely. What am I even doing? Why did I have to go to that guy? Why? Thank goodness. Why do I even have to listen to Deborah? Why do I even have to listen to her jobless boyfriend? What am I doing with Cloud9? I've lost Jason. My own man. My own man. Who sent me? Who sent me? Who sent me?
This young man is going to die if something is not done urgently.
What do we do, doctor?
He lost a lot of blood in the accident and we can't find a match. I mean, we can't get in contact with any of his family members.
I saw his chart. But doctor, if it's fine with the facility, I can donate for him.
What?
I can be a donor. I'm AA and O positive.
Nurse Clara, you don't know this man from Adam.
We're called to serve, doctor. To save lives. I just want to help.
Nurse Clara, you mean you want to give your blood to a total stranger?
Doesn't matter, doctor. If that will help, why not?
If you insist, you know what to do.
Yes, sir. I do.
Please.
Thank you.
Auntie Cloud9, you still there here? You still there this building? I say by now you supposed don't go. Because I did my kaba, they hear you. When you and Oga, they argue, they shout. By now you supposed don't come out. Go.
Do you want to be unfortunate this afternoon?
My grandma, you dey speak. You too like big English. You too like big English. The end point is make you dey go. On they go. Oga say he don't want you.
You're stupid. I can see you want to lose your job. You know, you feel you can talk to me anyhow because I'm having a minor misunderstanding with my man. I'll deal with you when this is over.
Now you don't lose, Oga. I don't lose my job, nobody employ me, but you don't lose the man where you follow. Because of Cloud9. On they go.
Hey, babe. How far now? How far that your little guy? Why are you mute? I thought you and Leonard went there. Eh? What really happened? How was your experience? Like, tell me now. Remember I told you that Leonard guy is very good at what he does. He's a pro. I know you enjoyed yourself. Jovita, why are you speechless? Are you okay? What happened? Did anything go wrong?
Yes. Everything went wrong. All thanks to you.
Why are you yelling? Was it that bad?
Absolutely bad. That Leo guy has cost me my relationship. Your stupid idea cost me my relationship.
Me?
Your foolish matchmake has cost me my joy. Did you know I'm the stupid one to have listened to you?
How? How am I the cause of your breakup with that 1 minute man?
Excuse me? Jason is not a 1 minute man.
Oh, really? So Jason is no longer a 1 minute man? After I shared my bad experience with you about Cain and how it takes me to Cloud9, you were literally begging me to hook you up with his friend, even when you had a rich boyfriend. A businessman. You now have a very large conglomerate. And I did as a good friend. You told me that you wanted to feel how a man takes you up there.
You're just a terrible friend. I regret ever relating to you. I regret ever making you my friend.
What are you regretting? After enjoying his plus size alone, you're here blabbing rubbish. Of course. You told me everything. You told me how you were begging him after he had had you for 5 good times. Rubbish.
Doctor, where's my friend?
He's inside.
He's inside. Doctor, I want to see him.
No. You can't see him. You can't see him. You can't see him now.
Why?
He's even unconscious as we speak. He's in coma right now.
Coma?
Yes.
Jesus. Please, doctor.
Shouting.
What are his chances?
Looking at his condition, 50-50.
50-50.
Shouting.
Hey, Jesus. Doctor, please. You have to do anything in your power to save his life.
Okay.
He's the only child of his mother.
Okay, it's okay.
Eh?
We'll do our best.
Okay.
But I want you to know that we cure what God heals.
Okay.
All right? Please, okay? Just calm down. No problem.
50-50. 50-50, man. The guy don't die now.
I don't know how I'm feeling. God, please help me. Nothing should happen to my son. He's all I've got. His refusal to come home and get married is giving me a cause to worry. I got him a very good girl from a very good background. But he has refused to come and see her and at least perform the marital rites. Jesse. this? Who is calling you? Hello?
Hello, ma.
Who is this?
Ma, it's Samuel, ma.
Sammy. Sammy from where?
Ma, Samuel, Jesse's friend.
Hey! Sammy, hi. Hello, how are you? Sammy, tell me nothing has happened to my son.
I'm afraid not, ma.
What do you mean by you are afraid not? Is Jason okay?
Ma, Jesse had an accident.
Hey! I said this God, oh. Don't tell me he's dead.
No, ma, your son is not dead. But he's in critical condition. As I speak to you now, your son is in coma.
Hey! Chimebomo! Chimebomo, I said it, that this sign is not a good one. I said it. Coma. Hi! Chimiko! This coma that his father went into and never wake up. Hey! You're finished. Just please. Just hey!
That's not wrong.
Yes, I am.
Wow.
I hope all is well.
Yes. I just called his mother.
That's some good news. How is she taking this?
I just told her what happened, but she's on her way.
You all need to be strong for him.
Yeah. I just pray history does not repeat itself.
How?
His father had an accident, went into coma, never wake up.
How sad.
Yeah.
Is he married?
No, he's not. But he has a fiancée.
He does?
Yes.
Why isn't she here? Haven't you told her about his state?
No. I believe she's the cause he is in this condition.
I don't understand. Jesse, why? Why, God? Why, Jesse?
Babe. Hey, babe.
Babe. I didn't know you were around.
I heard you coming. How are you?
I'm good. I didn't know you were around. When did you come?
This afternoon. I came in this afternoon. Are you okay?
I told him. I warned him.
Babe, what happened to Jason? Babe.
Jesse's lying down in intensive care.
What?
Yes, and he's unconscious.
No! What happened to him?
He had an auto crash. As we speak, my friend is in coma.
What?
On life support machine.
Oh my God! Wow, Jason, no! A cute guy. Oh no, Jason can't waste. No, God, no. Please, don't let this happen to him, Lord. Jason! Oh God!
Who think on they keep Oga Jason? Him no be the type of person when they come back late. This man na responsible man. Which kind of thing come be this? Since when come out, he never come back rich now. I make I call him for phone, make I know where he dey. Call him. Which one come be switched off again? Oga Jason no be the type of person wey him phone supposed to dey off. Because he get solar for house, he dey charge him phone full battery every day. He just waka vex, comot yesterday, till now he never come back. Which kind of thing come be this? Since we man come out, Nanti Cloud9 cause am. As he vex come out here, he never come back, reach now.
His number is not connected. Could he have switched off his phone because of me? Baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yes, hello. Good evening. Yes. Who are you, please? Doctor, Jason is my man. Accident. Okay, you said, where is he? St. Charles Hospital, right? Hello, Doc. Hello. Can you hear me? Oh, he hung up. Babe, I'm sorry. I know I caused this. I'm so sorry. Jay, I'm sorry. My love. What have I done? Oh. Babe, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm so sorry.
Are you sure these people know?
Babe, Alpha.
Debbie, something terrible has happened. All thanks to you.
What happened?
Jason just had an accident. He's in coma at the intensive care unit as we speak.
What?
You caused this.
Babe, see, stop acting childish and send me the address of the hospital where he was admitted. Jovita, where are you now? Hello? Jovita? Hello? Hey.
Babe. Why are you awake? Why are you being so hard on yourself? You're supposed to be sleeping. Why are you awake?
Cindy, can you hear yourself? I should sleep? Huh? When my friend is at the verge of losing his life?
Don't worry, nothing will happen to Jason, okay? He's just in coma. He'll be out of it very soon.
No, I can't. I can't sleep. I can't.
Baby, you need to come and sleep tomorrow so you can go and see him tomorrow, okay?
I blame him for all this.
What are you blaming him for? Who are you to judge? This kind of thing can happen to anyone. So stop.
I warned him. I warned him about this Jovita of a girl. Can you imagine? Look at where his love for her has landed him to.
Babe, you don't have to blame anyone right now at this point. Stop it. You're too worried for nothing. Come and sleep. Come to bed. You're just being worried. Come and sleep.
How is he? He's okay.
Nurse, how can he be lying? I'm his mother. Does he look okay to you?
God will come through for him. You just have to calm down.
Amen. Amen.
Listen, all you have to do is have faith. Your son will be fine. He'll live and not die, okay?
No, Zeme. No, Zeme, my only child. My only son.
Don't worry. God will come through for you. Excuse me.
Simon.
Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
Nice. My Oga no dey. Since this day he come out, he never come back. Reach now.
I know. Your guy had an accident.
Accident?
Yes.
Hey! Chineke! I talk am. That auntie Jovita, wey be Cloud9 auntie, I talk I say she go kill my Oga. As my Oga first one yesterday come out, he no come back reach now. I talk I say she go kill my Oga.
Ekwe, I did not say your guy is dead. Yes.
My Oga never die?
Yes, he had an accident and he was admitted.
Okay.
So I came to pick one or two things.
For inside?
Yes.
But nobody, they only me there.
I know.
Okay. Only you want go?
Yes. Stay there, wait for me and call.
What is still they keep Oga Sammy for inside this house? It don't reach more than 30 minutes where this man enter inside this house. I bet he say na food he won't cook for my Oga. I been a clothes, he won't carry clothes go give my hospital. He don't today for there. He don't today for there. He don't today. Make I go observe what they do. I don't see where the food will come cook for Oga.
Cook? How?
As you enter inside, you can't waste time. Dey plenty time. So I think say, na food you won't cook. Where you carry go give my oga for hospital one day.
I don't understand. Are you expecting me to go inside your gas kitchen and cook for him? As in what?
You know, so as you waste time for inside, so me, I think say na food you won't go cook, go give him for hospital. No vex.
Ekwe.
Sir?
Stop thinking. Open the gate.
Okay, sir. Oga Sami, which hospital where they are doing my oga? Which hospital where in there?
St. Charles Hospital.
St. Charles?
Yes.
Okay.
And Ekwe.
Oga.
I want you to know you're the only one in the house. And your guy is in the hospital.
Yes, sir.
I want you to take good care of his house.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
And I'm work with that. Nothing I they do.
Good.
Nothing I they do.
What is it?
I bet you say go cook even those in a rice. Me carry give on that for hospital.
Open the gate for me. Open the gate.
Okay, sir.
I knew you were going to be here peeping at your son again. I brought you food. Eat something.
Oscar, I don't want to eat. How can I open my mouth and eat when my son is lying critically in the ICU? Your son will be fine by God's grace. You have to eat something. Please. So that you can be strong for your son when he gets up. Come and sit down and eat.
Madam Victoria.
Doctor.
How are you doing?
I'm not fine, doctor. Please do something. I just want my son to talk. Please.
You know, your son's case is a critical one. But we are hoping for him to come around soon, okay?
Hopefully. And God will do it.
Okay?
Come and eat something.
It's okay. Just
come and sit down and eat something.
I have to take my chances. Yes. I know he will never survive that accident. He will never. Man, looking at his critical condition on the bed, man, automatically he's gone. Hey, how on earth will he survive that accident? How? Is that possible? The doctor is just deceiving himself, saying that he's in coma. Which coma? The same coma his father was in when he was alive. He did not survive it. How would this one be different? This is generational coma. He will never survive it. His father died in coma, and he is dying in coma too. And his brother again, all his family will die in coma. Why will he survive it? I need to do what I need to do. Take everything I need to take before it is late. Man, it's my opportunity. Let me grab it. Let me grab this opportunity and make use of it. That's it, man. Now we there. Shit. Oh my God. Hey, I'm very tired right now. Babe, please help me with a glass of cold water, please. It's true, I forgot she left it this morning. Oh my God. Oh, finally. Yes. Yes, this is what I want. This is what I want. I said it. What's this? What is this? What is this? What's going on? What is this? Fuck you, man! What is this now? What am I? Oh, God, man. God. Why? I could have known this guy is very technical. What is wrong with me? What is wrong with me? Oh, what is wrong with me? Hey, where do you think you're going to?
Excuse me?
I said, where do you think you're going to?
What sort of sick question is this? Please leave the way.
Leave this place. You're not welcome here.
You don't know what you're saying.
I said, leave this place!
Get out!
Leave!
That's my man in there!
Eh?
Yes!
It's no more your man. Leave now.
Leave me alone.
I said, leave this place! What's wrong with you?
I'm not going anywhere! Leave me alone!
Leave this place right now!
No, leave me alone!
I said, leave here!
Leave me away! What is happening here?
Doctor, tell this girl to leave here right now!
Doctor, tell him to stay out the way!
Easy, guys. Calm down, please.
Doctor, tell her to leave this place right now.
Doctor, tell him to leave the way. That's my man in there and I need to see him.
Doctor, this cheats. She's the reason my friend is lying down there. She's the reason why my friend is in this condition.
Calm down.
Tell her to leave or I'll push her out.
Doctor, tell this man to leave the way right now. That's my man in there and I must see him.
Oh, he must be Jovita.
Yes, I'm Jovita, doctor. Yes.
Doctor.
Can you please...
Doctor! She's the reason my friend is lying down there. She's the reason my friend is in this condition. Tell her to leave or I'll push her out myself.
Calm down.
Doctor, this girl, she's up to no good. Tell her to leave this place right now.
Oh, in that case, Jovita, our friend is not safe with you around here. Please, you have to leave.
That's a lie. Doc, don't tell me you're buying this Okam story. This guy is a shenanigan and do not take anything from him. I am not going anywhere. I am here to see my man and I must see him.
You will not see him. You will not see him.
Get out!
It's okay. Please, don't let me call security for you, please. Please, just leave, please. Please. Thank you. It's okay.
Doctor, why are we wasting time waiting for him to come around? Let's go ahead and remove the oxygen. I don't think he will make it alive.
It's the truth, doctor.
Sorry, did I hear you right? Doctor, only the family has the right to have him unplugged. You can't make that decision.
Yes. Nurse Clara, but he's stressing us now, including the mom. That woman is old.
Well, the mother is the reason why we should leave him there plugged. That is her only child. He has a chance of survival and we must allow him fight for his life.
Nurse Clara, see, this thing is generational curse. The same thing happened to his father. His father was in coma 6 good months and at the end he did not make it.
Well, the father didn't make it doesn't mean the son will make it. I'm sorry. Doctor, you can't. You cannot unplug him without the family consent. I thought you were his friend.
Yes, he's my childhood friend.
I'm beginning to doubt that friendship.
What do you mean by that?
Well, only the family has a right to say if he should be unplugged or left there.
I am part of the family. Doctor, I am part of the family. That's what I'm saying. I'm saying it now. The mother, they know me very well. Doctor, go ahead and move the oxygen.
Doctor,
this man will rest in peace.
To him. My hands are tied. Calm down. You can't listen to him.
The more he's here, his bill is accumulating, and I'm going to pay the thing now. I don't have money to be paying for all these things now. Eh? Doctor, let's go ahead and move the oxygen.
If the man has a fighting chance, let's give him the chance to fight. Mama, really, I think you should just pray and leave it all in God's hands. Don't bother yourself so much. Take a seat and rest.
Miss Clara, my son has been lying in a coma for 3 months. His life is at standstill. And his work as general manager at Lufthansa Investments paused.
That's the more reason why you have to let God have his way. Just pray and I'm certain he'll be fine.
Any luck?
We're still where we are, hopefully.
Hey, Mama. I am not seeing the possibility of him making it alive or coming out of this coma.
What are you trying to say?
The doctor said the accident affected.
I'm sorry. Let me check up on the patient.
Okay.
Thank you.
The doctor said what?
The doctor said the accident affected his brain. That chances of him making it alive is low. But let's pray.
Sammy,
Ma?
I don't believe in the medical reports.
Yeah, me too.
The ghost reports. And let me tell you, my son will not die. And he will never suffer any brain damage. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand. He will not die, but... That's...
No but.
Okay. I don't understand.
Why did you say that to her?
Because she needs to know the truth.
What truth?
The truth is that he's not coming back. That is the truth.
Why are you playing God over this guy's life? Why are you trying to play master over Jason's life?
I don't understand. Mascara, what is your interest? Huh?
I gave him blood because I believe it could be anyone. This could happen to you, me, anyone at all. Why are you hell-bent on the guy passing away or something? What is it about it?
I don't even understand. Is he the only patient in this hospital? Why you so... Why? What's your interest in him now?
How is this his fault? Why are you hell-bent on the young man dying?
It's his fault. His foolishness has kept him into this mess. Yes, and he wants to drag us. I can never be. He cannot drag me into this mess.
But nobody is holding you down here. You can leave if you want to. How is it his fault? How is it? What do you mean his foolishness?
Nurse Clara. He's foolishly in love with a cheat. Jovita is a cheat, and I told him, I warned him, but he wouldn't listen.
Reasons why you went to his house to look for his credit cards and his property documents?
Ekwe told you that?
No.
So how
I
did you know?
saw you.
You saw me?
You destroyed every single CCTV footage, so nobody will have any evidence.
I don't understand. How did you know?
Whatever it is you are looking for in that house, I have hidden it far away from you. You will not see it.
I don't understand. How did you know his house? How did she know his house? No!
Babe, what happened?
It was a dream.
Tell me about it.
That was not Clara.
What about her?
Who is she? Was she actually the reason I could not find Jesse's credit cards and documents, even when I turned that whole house upside down?
What's running through your mind?
Nothing. I'm trying to read meaning about a dream.
Okay. Scared me.
It's okay. I'm sorry. Let's go back to sleep. Okay?
Okay.
Oh, you're here already?
I'm still here. I thought you left.
I just said to check up on him.
Oh,
I feel so bad for the mother.
oh, poor woman. He's a only child.
Sad.
Seriously.
Let me go.
Okay. Miss Clara, his hand just moved. His hand. Oh my God.
Doctor!
Okay, doctor!
I think I have to sneak into that private world. Remove that oxygen myself and watch him die. Yes, Jason, I will make you pay for every single thing you did.
to me.
His eyes were open.
Okay. He's conscious.
He's conscious.
Yes. Let me call his best friend, Sammy.
And his mother. Okay.
Dr. George? Why is he calling me by this hour of the night? Hello, doctor.
Hello, Mr. Sammy.
Doctor, why are you calling me by this hour of the night? Please don't tell me my friend is dead. Please, doctor. Jackson. Doctor, please. Don't tell me because Jackson cannot die because he... Hello?
No, not at all, not at all. Your friend is alive.
I don't understand. What are you saying? What do you mean God did it?
Matter of fact, there's jubilation in the hospital as we speak.
What?
Baby, what? What?
Huh?
What? What?
Jason.
What happened to Jason? Don't tell me he didn't make it alive. What happened to him?
He did. He's alive.
Oh my God.
He's alive.
Jackson is alive.
Yes.
Thank you, Jesus. Oh my God.
Yes, thank
Jackson
you,
is
Jesus.
alive. God, thank you. Thank you. Jackson is alive. God, thank you.
Yes, thank you.
I'm so happy.
Yes.
Jackson is alive.
Yes.
Oh my God. Wow. This can only be a miracle. Jason is alive. Baby.
Yeah?
Aren't you happy, baby?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Jason's alive.
Yes.
Oh my God. Let's celebrate, babe. Oh my God, Jason.
Yes.
Oh, thank you, Jesus.
Yes.
Thank you, Jesus. I'm so happy. Wow. Oh my God.
My son, you defeated death. Nurse Clara is exceptional. She's always around me to cheer me up. She works morning, afternoon, and night shift just because of you.
Oh, who is she?
The nurse that just left home to freshen up.
Oh, was she the one I saw when I woke up?
I wouldn't know because I was not here.
Good afternoon, Ma.
Oh, good afternoon.
How are you doing today?
Well done, sir.
Thank you, Mama.
Nurse, thank you very much. You people did well.
It's nothing, Ma. God did actually, Ma. He used a few persons around here to make sure your son comes back to life. You know, people like Nurse Clara. She donated her blood when we couldn't find a matching donor for your son.
She did?
She did. She did. She did. She did. Welcome. Welcome.
How are you feeling?
Thank God, oh.
Hey, thank you, Jesus.
And thank people like you for standing by me.
Thank God for your life.
It's a great miracle.
Doctor,
Yes, Jason.
I think I'm okay. I need to get to the house.
It's okay. I'll tell them to prepare your papers for discharge. Okay?
Really?
Yes, I will.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mama.
I'm going home.
Yes. Sammy Lolo.
Jason, are you okay now?
Yes.
Yes, he's fine. That's fine.
Look,
Very, very much okay.
very, very much okay.
Who is she? Why did she save my life? If not for Nurse Clara, I would have been dead by now.
You're here already?
I'm still here. I thought you left.
I just said to check up on him.
Oh,
I feel so bad for the mother.
poor woman. It's her only child.
Sad.
Seriously.
Let me go.
Okay. Mascara, his hand just moved. His hand. Oh my God.
Doctor.
Okay. Doctor!
Oh, yeah. Who's your friend? Yeah. Who's your fault? Who's the one you put all of
Nurse Clara, what a human being. Mama and Dr. George said she never left my side for a second. I have to go look for her and appreciate her, at least for what she has done for me.
Just your.
Yes, Mama.
I made food for you.
Thank you.
You have to eat so that you take your drugs.
It's me.
Justin, one more thing. I think it's time for you to go and do the needful. Go and pay Ngozi's bride price.
Mama, what is this, for God's sake? I'm recovering. I need time, I need sanity. Can you just keep this marriage thing aside?
My son, you are well now. Thank God for bringing you back to life. You're okay.
Thank God. And thank Nurse Clara for assisting to bring me back to life.
God used her for you.
Yes. Mama, do you know she's very beautiful and she has a pure heart?
Beautiful. Who is beautiful?
Nurse Clara.
This why you are smiling like this. I hope it's not what I'm thinking. You better kill whatever feeling you have for that girl, because it will not work.
What is all this, for God's sake? Just lost my appetite.
Could this be love? I don't even know how I feel. I fell for him at first sight. Oh God, I wasn't around when he was discharged. I don't have his phone number. I don't know where he lives. I would have gone in search of him to tell him how I feel. Will I ever see him again? Will I? I don't know. Could this be love? Could it?
This one you are smiling like this, I hope it's not that Nurse Clara, because it will never work.
Mama, is that why you're shouting?
Justin, I will not sit down and watch you marry that one nurse. It can never work. She's not suitable for you. Ngozika is the one that is suitable for you to marry.
So who do you want me to marry, Ngozika?
Yes.
The village girl?
Yes.
I should leave the person that donated blood for me to survive a second chance. Mama, just listen to yourself, for God's sake.
Justin, you might be of the same age bracket with her, or she might even be older than you. What are you saying?
My age is nothing but a number, for God's sake.
Justin, Ngozi is just 20 years old. She's the one suitable for you for marriage. I watched her grow up into a beautiful woman.
Mama, 20 years is a teenage age. I am 35 years old, going to 36 years old. You expect me to marry a 20 years old girl? That is child abuse. Mama, in your time, you do that. But now, we do it for pleasure and somebody that is going to give us peace of mind. Okay?
And who says the younger one will not give you peace of mind and happiness? Who said that?
Well, I am not going to get married to your village girl. If I'm considering marriage, I'm going to get married to the girl that saved my life with her own blood. Mama, even you could not donate blood for me.
It won't work. As far as I'm still alive, it will never work. Do you understand?
Really?
Yes.
Mama,
really.
it will work.
It will not work.
It will work, Mama.
I am the one that gave birth to you. It will never work as
It
far as
will
I
work.
do it.
It will work, Mama. It will work, Mama.
Oh, it will work.
Yes, it will work.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Let's see. You come and kill me because you gave birth to me.
Oga, how you doing now?
I'm fine. Much better.
Thank God. Oga, there's something I want to show you.
What is it?
Mercy.
What is this?
Oga, just the watch and you go see.
What is he doing in my house?
Oga, he come here. I don't know what he can collect from here. Even go destroy the CCTV. Just the watch am.
My goodness. Sammy can actually kill me if you have the opportunity.
Oga, I can't friend really get with this, so just the watch and they see.
He's a friend of me.
The bad one.
I need to give him distance. I need to give him distance.
Yes, sir.
You can go, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Alright, be careful, oh.
Sammy. I need to give him distance.
What are you getting at? What are you accusing me of? I don't understand. I should return what? Why are you accusing me for something I don't know? Please. Jason, I don't like it. I don't like this. Please, I don't take this, oh. I don't take it. Jesse, I was there for you when you're lying lifeless in coma. So now, what I get in return is false accusation, right? I don't like it. What are you saying? I should return what? What do you mean I should return something I took from your house? I didn't take anything from your house. I did not take anything from your house. What? Office file? Me? I took office file from your house? Please. I don't like this. I don't like this. If you're looking for anything, ask Ekwe. He was the only one in your house when you're in coma. Yes. Wait. Police? Wait, are you threatening me with police now? So this is how you pay me back? No, Jesse, this is how you pay me back. Police, right? Okay, no problem. No problem, police. How did he mention CCTV camera?
Good afternoon. Nurse Philo, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine.
How's it?
I'm fine, thank you.
How about Nurse Clara? Did she come to the hospital today?
Yes, she was on morning shift. She left already.
Okay, it's fine.
Doctor, hope there's no problem.
None at all. None at all.
Okay.
I'll be in my office. Please check the patient first.
Okay. Oh, you're leaving already?
Yes, I'm done for the day.
Dr. George has been asking after you lately.
Asking after me?
Yeah, like, is there anything we need to know? Is something going on?
Oh, there's nothing.
I think he likes you a whole lot.
Philo, I don't have the strength for this discussion right now. Please, I need to go home. I'm tired.
Wait, I need to see how he still glances at you.
I haven't seen how he still glances at me. I'll see you tomorrow, please. I'm so tired.
Okay.
I found the one I want. She's the one I need. No one else will do. She's everything I want. I owe you all my life. You gave me all your strength. I cannot look away anymore. You are the one for me. Your love has found me, changed my whole life.
Mr. Jason.
Hello, how are you and how's work?
Fine, I'm good. You look so good and handsome.
Can you just stop with the flattery?
I'm not, you know that.
Look, thank you so much for being part of the thing that makes sure I'm back to life, okay? I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Please, I'm here to see Nurse Clara.
No, she's not in. She's on night shift.
Please, can I have a number?
Why not? Okay, I'll just share with you. Okay, there you go.
Thank you so much.
All right.
I need to go now, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
All right, take care of yourself.
I found the one I want. She's the one I need. No one else will do. She's everything I want. I owe you all my life. You gave me all your strength. I cannot look away anymore. You are the one for me. Your love has found me, changed my whole life, giving me a chance to love.
Hello? Jason. It's Jason. Yes, my survivor. My savior. He used you. Where are you? I went to the hospital and I saw Nurse Philo and she said you are night duty today. And I asked her to give me your number and she did. My mom is fine. She's back to the village and I am okay. Could see you. Can we see?
Change my whole life has changed, given me a chance to love. Your love has found me.
How come my compound is looking nice and tidy? It wasn't like this when I left. Hey. Hey. Where one more? Ngo Beke. Good afternoon, Mom. How are you? Hey, I thought as much. I came in and everywhere is looking so neat. Ha! Ngo, have you seen why I chose you for my son? Eh? Nwazurazu, one who will not wait to be told on what to do. Thank you very much. Thank you, my dear. Ngo, soon. Very soon. You know, Justin he's just recovering from the accident. He will soon come home. Eh? I think this is a good suggestion. No? I think this is what we're going to do. I will take you to his house in the city myself. Eh? You should be happy, Ngozi. Okay, Ngo. Now go back to what you're cooking. It's getting late. Talk to you later. I just came in now. Okay, bye-bye.
What?
How old are you?
35. Why?
Are you married or in a serious relationship?
None of the above.
I don't understand none of the above. So you don't have any guy in your life?
Well,
What is it?
Oh, no, nothing. Nothing. It's just memories.
Okay. Memories of?
I was married at 32. To the love of my life. And I lost him to the cold hands of death. He had asthma. Had an attack and couldn't find his inhaler.
You were married?
Babe, hold on to this while I wait for the food, okay?
Thank you.
Yeah. Babe, I'm so happy for Jason's life. God in his infinite mercy brought him back to us. I'm really happy. Babe, God knows what his death would have done to his mother. I thought by now he'd have gotten married to Jovita. Why is he still single? Babe. Babe, you're not talking.
What is it? What do I need to say?
Is there any problem? Since Jason came back to life, you've been acting up. What's going on? Is there any problem? What is going on? Babe. 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 Why is he acting up? What's going on? What seems to be the problem? Why the cold? I don't understand. What's happening?
Yes. But I wasn't aware he had asthma. I guess he loved me so much, he didn't want me to worry.
No matter what, he's supposed to tell you that he's leaving with such.
He's a good man. This certainly must have been the reason why he did not tell me. Everything about America just reminded me of him. So I had to relocate. I relocated from the US where I was paid in dollars down to Nigeria. There's been guys here and there, but it's been so hard for me to move past it all. Listen, enough of me. Tell me about you and Jovita.
How did you get to know about Jovita?
She came by the hospital several times looking for you, blaming herself for what happened to you, so I did meet her a couple of times.
No, so I don't want to talk about her. Actually.
Okay. I promise not to mention her again.
Because I was busy loving the wrong person.
So you brought this up. So I have to ask, how?
She was fighting me, despite loving her and her family so much. Doing everything for her.
Sad. So you're trailing them?
Yes, I have to follow them.
For how long?
I follow them up until they get to the guy's compound. She calmed down, was watching them carefully. The most painful part of it is, she was just caressing him, kissing him in his compound. It hurts. But I recorded them. I have evidence, video evidence. Following them, she came to the house. She tried to deny it when I confronted her, but I showed her the video evidence, so that nailed it.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
It's sad.
Hi, baby. Oh, my love. How are you, babe?
Hi.
Nurse Clara, you're here.
Yes, I am.
Really? Babe, I made you vegetable soup. Was lot of periwinkles plus pounded yam. I made them myself. You'll like it. Are you okay? Be fine?
What are you doing in my house?
Babe, you can't be asking me that in front of a total stranger. That's unfair. All right? You like this one?
Look, I'm not going to eat your food. Stand up and get out of my house this minute.
Why?
Just go. Stand up.
Why should I go?
Hello, Salome. You're in the house already. Is my man at home? Okay. I'm just coming out from the salon right now. I went for my manicure and pedicure. Alright. See you soon.
Get out. Get out.
No. You don't do that to me, all right? I'm not going anywhere.
You're not going anywhere.
Yes.
Can you please calm down?
Igwe!
No, please wait. He's not very strong. He's ill. So just go home. If he says go home, you can talk about this some other time.
I say, he's not very strong. Go home if he says go home. Really? And what will you be doing in this house? He is my man. My relationship of 2 years. Listen, if I am leaving, you are leaving. I am not going to let you stay in this house.
Really?
Nonsense.
Igwe.
Yes, I am not going anywhere, babe. Do your worst.
Oga, Auntie Cloud9, I don't think we need to come here. My Oga don't special way in life. No, they come here. Come, they go.
Are you mad? Did you just touch me? Don't you dare touch me, you miserable life. Babe, I am not going anywhere. We're in this together and we're going to make up. Really? You want to replace me with that ugly bat? That thing? No way. It's not going to happen.
Get out of my house.
I'm not. Babe, listen, we can work this out. Let's talk about it.
Work what
Alright?
out? What out?
Babe, I love
The
you.
day you looked into my eyes and cheated on me was the day you lost my respect. After everything I've done for you and your family, huh? I even paid 2 million naira for your brother's brain tumor surgery. When they throw you out, you and your family, I paid the house rent for 3 years.
Babe,
After everything,
I am not denying
don't
it.
worry. I'm not regretting it. The only regret was assisting ungrateful human being like you.
I'm sorry, it wasn't me. It was Debbie, my friend. You know, she comes to tell me how good her man is, and he usually takes her to Cloud9 whenever they make out. And it was not like that. I am sorry.
Imagine.
I'm truly sorry.
Imagine what you're saying with your mouth. You're even shameless. Just get out. Take her out of my house.
Hold on.
Auntie Cloud9, don't put for trouble. Cloud9 don't put for trouble. Make a carry for head. I've been for body. I carry. Come, they go.
I'm warning you for the last time. Don't you dare touch me or talk back at me. Are you stupid?
Cloud9 don't put for trouble. Make we
Stupid.
go.
I am sorry.
Can you just get out?
Make we go.
Yeah.
Come, they.
Babe. Oh.
Make we go, Auntie.
Oh.
Go.
Oh.
Come, they go.
Let's go and apologize.
He left me for her. He broke up with me to be with her. He cheated me for fatness. I brought this upon myself. I had gold, but I went after dust. That little guy has nothing to offer me. He has just cloud 9. I wanted to fly over the moon. I wanted to know what it feels like to be taken up there. Few hours pleasure. Few hours pleasure has ruined my relationship. Derby ruined everything for me. What have I done? Why did I even listen to her in the first place? I would have guided what I had so jealously. To think I nearly killed Jason because of my stupid act. He loved me so much. He was ready to give me the whole world.
I'm so sorry, Clara. I'm so sorry. I feel so embarrassed right now.
You said sorry like a million times. It's fine, really.
She just barged in. I told her not to come to my house ever again.
Well, if I were to pass for a good character judge, I'd say she's really sorry about what happened.
So what do you mean? I should forgive her?
Not necessarily let her back in, but forgiveness is key.
I don't think I can forgive her. She nearly cost me my life. The accident I have, she made it happen.
Well, and you came out of it alive, thanks to God. So, forgiveness is inevitable. Anyways, I have to hurry. I'm on night shift. Been meaning to ask, what about Sammy?
You don't want to know what he did?
I want to.
When all this was happening, he came to my house, destroyed my CCTV, packed all my card. I have a lot of money in it with my document, my properties, everything. He didn't know my security man was recording him. That's what we used to tame him down.
I'm surprised. I always knew he was up to no good. Like I said, I'm on night shift and I have to hurry.
Thank you.
Babe, how far?
Do not. Don't you ever try to call me that. I am here to congratulate you for ruining my relationship. Oh, thanks to you. I hope you're happy now.
Really? Are you blaming me for your misfortune? Please.
Baby.
Excuse me.
How are you?
How dare you? Something wrong with your brain? Touch me one more time with those filthy hands of yours. You see what I will do to you. Fool.
Did you just call me a fool?
Oh yes. You're worse than a fool. You're a bigger fool.
Really?
Yes.
Look at this one that was screaming my name the other day while I was banging you. All of a sudden you're calling me stupid. Fool. Really?
And you,
Really?
I just want you to know that I will not forgive you for this. Stupid
Really?
face.
Baby, what's wrong with your friend?
See, leave Jovita alone. Eh? Tell me now, how far?
Man, nothing is far, man. I'm not good. Not good. What's that outburst for?
Like I said earlier, leave Jovita alone. Let it be.
You said you wanted to see me.
Yes, Miss Clara. You're a good woman.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I mean, I've observed you with keen interest. And you are a good human being. You have amazing personality. I've come across a lot of nurses in St. Charles Hospital, but you stood out. I've met a lot of women, but you're different. You have an amazing personality. Your type is rare, you're kind-hearted.
Thank you. I'm sorry, doctor. Where is all this headed?
Not Clara. The truth is, I'm attracted to you. I mean, for all the qualities I listed, you're my number one crush. I want you for keeps.
I mean, we work in the same establishment.
I know, but don't take decisions. I could give you some time to think about this. Just think about it first. Some time. Please? Thank you, Miss Clara.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Miss Philo, please, I want to ask you. Do you have an idea if Nurse Clara is seeing someone?
Why do you ask?
I just want to know.
Well, the last time I checked, she's not seen any man. She lost her would-be husband in the United States of America on the eve of their wedding 3 years ago.
So sad. I'm so sorry.
Well, Nurse Clara is the kindest human I've ever seen.
I can testify to that.
The way she treats patients, her type is rare to find.
Yes, I can attest to that.
If not for Nurse Clara, Mr. Jason would have been a goner.
So I heard.
But wait, haven't you been able to reach her all this while?
I'm going to call her immediately. I'm out of this place.
Please do, because you cannot tell your survivor stories without her.
I totally agree with you. Nurse Philo, please, I beg you, don't discuss this with her, okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much. I'll see you.
Bye. Bye.
I think I've found a wife. Yes. I think I found a wife. Oh God. Hey, hello? How are you? I'm fine, doing well. Yeah, I just called to ask, is it possible for us to have a dinner date at my place? Oh, my bad. Yeah, you're on night shift. Okay, so can we do lunch? Okay, beautiful. See you on Sunday. All right. Thank you. Bye. Can't wait for Sunday.
I found the one I want. She's the one I need. No one else will do. She's everything I want. I owe you all my life. You gave me all your strength. I cannot look away anymore. You are the one for me. Your love has found me, changed my whole life, giving me a chance to love you. Your love has found me, changed my whole life. Take my hand, never let go. my deepest hour. 'Cause you've shown me light, and that is where I wanna stay.
Hey.
You startled me.
Yeah.
What are you doing sneaking around your own house? You have to be upstairs on your computer working.
I am upstairs working on my computers. I have a lot of work. I need to settle as fast as possible.
I'm sorry, I wish I could help. All I know is medicine.
I'm giving people injections. Yeah.
You can say that again.
How do you feel injecting different people?
Normal. Just like a teacher feels normal to teach.
Really?
Yes.
Now tell me, what was it that you like about me?
I've gone back to
tell
this
me,
discussion
tell me.
again.
Give me injection on
You
this,
were
right?
in a trance. You telling me you could feel me rushing to your room all the time to inject you. I only came at the specific time you ought to take your injections.
You love me.
No! I only came at the specific point in time when you had to take your injections.
You love me, baby.
No.
Confess.
At the time you were supposed to have your injections.
Just always
at the time.
Supposed to call this girl. Let me call her before I forget. Because I know her. Fight.
Son, you're back.
Mama. You didn't tell me that you are coming now. Unlike you.
I had to come so that we finalize things, you know?
Finalize what?
You need to come to the village and pay Ngozika's bride price. Or do you want me to do that for you?
Excuse you? Pay his hood bride price, for God's sake. Did I tell you I'm in love with anybody? I've made my choice already. Mama, so why are you forcing somebody else on me, for God's sake?
I don't want one else. I want you to marry a young girl who have not seen life. That's the kind of woman I want for my son. Nah, see, I wanted to come with her so that you will see the kind of onogo, the kind of pino I found for you.
Mama, God save you, you didn't bring that girl to my house. I could have walked both you and her out of my house, Mama.
Jassy, what are you trying to do? To walk out on me? Your mother?
Yes.
Jason, if you marry that one else, I will kill myself.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Why do you think this emotional blackmail works on me right now?
You see me? Jason!
Mama, you think this emotional blackmail will work on me? I'll conclude that. Hey, baby. At least branch my place so that we can spend some quality time together before you head to work. I want us to discuss our marriage. Babe, I want us to discuss how we're going to produce a lot of children.
Jesse, we need to talk now.
Babe, please, I'll call you back. Mama, I've told you countless times, I don't like the way you barge into my room. I hate it.
It's about the choice you've made. Why not Clara?
Why won't I pick Nurse Clara? Tell me, Mama. That's the woman that saved my life. That's the woman that gave me a second chance, for God's sake.
Ngozika is the right girl I've chosen for you. You must marry her whether you like it or not. Do you understand?
You wish. Me marry a village girl. Mama, I can't even wrap this round my head, for God's sake.
You have to embrace the hard reality.
Mama,
do you understand?
Mama, the hard reality is I don't even know her. And I don't love her, for God's sake.
I didn't love your father when I got married to him. But the marriage produced you.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Mama, that was then. 1950s, 1940s. You guys are loyal women. But now, for God's sake, you need to love somebody genuinely. You need to understand that connection between you and your wife or you and your husband before you go into forever, Mama. I can never marry somebody I don't love.
Ngozika is the right choice for you. You must marry her. You must. It's a must.
No, my babe. baby. You promised to show up yesterday. I didn't see you. Emergency. At least you could have called me to let me know. Babe, I don't want to lose you at all. Okay? You won't understand. It's for me to understand alone. I know what I'm talking about. Don't worry. Don't bother, okay? Am I going to see you today? Babe, I said don't worry. Am I going to see you today? I miss you so much, okay? And I love you. Talk to you soon. Bye. I love her so much.
Hey! Jovita, you are here.
Yes, Mama.
What are you doing here? How do you want to enter?
I've been here. I am waiting for Jason. Good morning. Good evening.
Jovita, didn't I assign you one day at the hospital to stay clear from Jason? Why did you carry two left legs into this compound again?
Mama, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. I love your son so much and I can't do this without him.
Jovita, love does not hurt. You cannot claim you love my son, yet you cheated on him. Eh?
Mama, please. I'm sorry. Please, talk to Jason to forgive me. I'll never look sideways. I'll never do anything that will hurt him. Just forgive me. I am sorry. I've changed.
Jovita, you nearly killed my son. And you are here talking of coming back. Coming back to do what? To finish him up? Eh? What else? Jovita, I beg of you. Just listen to me very well. Leave my son alone. He has moved on with his village wife I found for him. So you and Clara should let him be. Let him focus on his new family. What is it? Ogini?
Did you say a village wife?
Yes, I said village wife. Hey! This way. Yes, just go. Jovita, leave my son. Leave my son alone. Out. I say out, I say mama. Eh? Out.
What?
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 Clara. Just afraid of losing you. So curious. I don't want to lose you.
I'm not going anywhere. Neither are you.
Okay? What if I lose you? What will happen?
You're not losing me. Why are you sounding like that? Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Is there something I should know? Okay.
Look, I love you. Very much, actually. Too much that I don't want to lose you. Basically, that's it.
You won't. Can we go now? I'm hungry. Faster. Can we go faster now? I'm hungry.
Take you to the best restaurants.
I trust you, girl.
Is that all you need?
Yes.
Food?
Don't make it sound like that. Is that all you need? Food? Yes. Food.
I want to spoil you a little bit.
My son just picked a wife from the village. Yes. And the girl is just 20 years old. You know, as a nurse, she knows that she has more chances of getting pregnant early than these matured ladies of 30, 35, you know. At a one touch, the thing will just enter. I don't want someone that will be struggling to get pregnant from my son. That's not the kind of wife I want for him.
Mama, I should go. I just said to
Drop by.
Jesse didn't tell you. He should have told you instead of you, wasting your time around him.
I really should go, Mama. Thank you very much.
It's okay.
What is going on? She asked me to call her, and she's rejecting my calls. Doesn't make sense.
Because she knows the truth already.
What truth, Mama?
One of us was here earlier, and I told her that you've gotten a wife from the village, and she ran out. Guess she couldn't take it.
Mama, what did you do? Mama, what have you done?
Jason, do you let you come to the village and pay Wazico's bride price and forget about this in one house? Ogini!
Mama, the relationship took years to build. The relationship, I put in everything to make it work, Mama. That is the relationship I love with all my heart for the first time. You destroyed it for me. Mama, what did I do to deserve this?
Forget about
What have I done, Mama, to deserve this?
I've been telling you and I don't want to listen. Forget about her. You are crying for a woman. Jesse! Ah! Jesus! Hey! Jesse! Igwe!
Mama!
Go!
Ah.
Jesus!
Oga!
Jesse!
Oga! Oga!
I'll take my son!
Oga!
Jesse!
Oga!
Nurse Clara.
Oh,
Why are you wearing a gloomy look?
I'm fine. I'm very fine, thank you.
Do you mind sharing what's used?
Dr. George, I'm really fine. I can manage.
No problem. Share this house out.
It's nothing I can't handle. I'm okay.
Okay. I'll always be here. Anytime you want to say anything, you can come
I
around.
trust you. Thank you. Hello? Ikwe, what's going on? He fainted? What happened? Wait, what? Is he okay? How is he? What happened? I'm coming there now.
Hello, Ngozika. Kedu? Good evening. Keki Mary. Ngozi. I think we should just forget about this whole thing. Eh? Just wait for your own husband. Your husband will find you. Please. I'm getting tired of all this whole thing. Ngozi, I am not the one to marry you. It's Jesse. And he has refused to. So what do you want me to do? I don't want to lose my only child. Ngozi, what is wrong with you? Are you yelling at me? See, the person that's supposed to marry you refused to marry you. So what do you expect me to do? Just forget about it. I am tired. I can't push through again. Ngozi, you are insulting me. You dare not, and you know it. Inanuya? Hello? Hello? Really? She hung up on me. Inanuwa? Look at the girl I was telling my son to get married to. Insulting me, Victoria. What is wrong with girls of nowadays? Jovita that is not up to 20-something years. She's a red flag. Even in Ngozi, I thought that she's a good girl. She's also a red flag. Hey, me, Victoria. Ngozi is insulting me. So bad, no problem. I don't blame her.
Jason. 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 Jason.
Clara. Twice you saved my life. And I really appreciate it. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. You will never go wrong in my eyes.
He said it was an emergency. I couldn't do anything. I couldn't get anything. I just rushed down.
This is the emergency.
Oh, yes, it is.
Please. I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Yes, you said it was an emergency. You got me rushing off.
Thank you.
Oh, God, no. Oh, God.
Thank you.
You said it was an emergency.
No, thank you so much. Thank you. I love you.
Changed my whole life. So take my hand and never let go.
Babe,
Yeah, man. How are you?
I'm good. Babe, I'm curious.
Curious about what?
Is there something going on between you and Jason?
Something like what?
Ever since he got discharged, he hasn't come here and you haven't gone to visit him. So what's the problem?
Cindy, why are you always bringing Jesse in any of our conversation? Why?
Are you sure nothing is wrong between you and Jason?
There's nothing wrong between me and Jesse. I don't understand. What are you talking about?
Are you sure?
There's nothing going on. There's nothing going on between me and Jesse.
I know something is up. And I'll go all out to find out why you cut ties with your best friend.
I think the best thing to do is leave you go upstairs. Let me go upstairs. don't understand you. Every time, Jesse. If you like Jesse, tell me you like Jesse. Don't understand. Don't tell me Jesse.
Oh, some of them will be there when it's good, but then they envy you. Oh, konye mama do le bon madu. That's the law of the game.
Yes. I am here to warn you. Stay away from my man, Jason, right?
I'm sorry, this is all you came here to do?
Oh, you think it's not important? I am here to warn you. I know we had our misunderstanding, we had our differences, but fine, we're working on it, okay? Don't jump on him.
No, you should carry your head in shame. The man has broken up with you and he's moved on with me.
Says who? That's a big lie. I made a mistake. I've learned. I am better now. Alright? You're not his mother. Stay away from him.
This is a hospital premises. The next time you come here to threaten me, you'll see the other side of me.
You lie. I don't threat. I do promises. And I'm promising you the next time I come here to visit you, you will like me. Mark my words. You are not his mother. You're not going to be his wife. I am his wife. And nobody's going to take that away from me. Not even you. You're a nurse. Stick to that. Old hack. Ugly thing. Husband snatcher. Look at you. Stay away from Jason. Nonsense.
Miss Clara, I want to see you.
Oh, okay.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
It's about what I told you.
Doctor, I already told you no. The reason is because my ex was a medical doctor and dating a doctor again will just remind me of so much. I can't afford that.
Who did you choose over me?
It's not a case of choosing. Yes, I'm newly engaged, but it's not a case of choosing. It's a decision. Besides, we work in the same establishment. I just really can't.
You feel who you chose is better than me?
No, it's not. It's just a decision, doctor. I'm seeing somebody already.
It's fine. If you feel who you chose is better, it's fine.
Why is he furious?
What nonsense. What is all this for God's sake? How can she be this insensitive? Can you just imagine? Who does that? Hello there.
Hello?
I'm so sorry. What happened between you and Jovinta?
So you know?
Yes, I do. She called me and she was ranting.
Same here. She was ranting and shouting and threatening. I honestly hope you can put her to order. I mean, those kind of threats, one can get arrested.
It's okay, baby. Where are you?
I'm on my way home.
Can we see?
I'll have to turn my car around.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Na 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 na. Your love has found me. Changed my whole my life has changed. Given me a chance to love you. Your love has found me. Changed my whole life. So take my hand and never let go. Never let go.
What are you doing in front of my house?
Jovita, I've been waiting for you for like forever.
Are you okay? You're waiting for me for what? Listen, I am warning you. Stay away from me. Take your ugly face away from me. Alright? For your own best interest. Stay away from me. I am warning you now.
Jovita, I thought we had something.
We had nothing. All that was a mistake. And I regret doing such a mistake with you. It will never happen again.
Jovita, I don't want you to call it a mistake. I know we started on a wrong note, but we can actually make all this work.
Make what work?
Us. We can make us work.
There is not us. Alright? Don't even think about it. I am not going to give you a chance. You're not better than Jason. I'd rather remain single than to be with you. There's not us. You're nothing compared to Jason. That's it.
Jason. You have Jason. If he's whatever you mention he is, why did you come to me? Why did you come to me? Why did you cheat on him with me? I am the real man. You know that. You screamed my name. You called me everything.
Shut
you
up.
told me everything.
Shut up!
And now, this... Let's make this work, please.
No! I'm not interested. Alright? Just stop coming to my house. Stay away. Nonsense.
Some of them will be there when it's good, but then they envy you. Okonye mama do le bon mother. That's the law of the game. They are always close to you, looking in like a predator. Beware, them know the right time for face, right time for face. So who's afraid? Who's afraid? You never know till everything changes. Who's afraid? Who's afraid?
Hi, Jason.
How have you been?
I'm fine. I'm good, Jason.
What happened to your car?
You just started checking all of a sudden. I don't know. I don't know. I don't understand. I've been meaning to come to your house to see you.
Is everything okay?
Between you and what's happening between you and Sammy? You guys
Nothing.
stop being friends. What's going on?
Nothing happened. You should ask him.
I've been asking Sammy. He keeps saying I shouldn't talk anything about you. That I don't want to hear anything about you. I don't understand. What's going on?
That's what evil men do. Yes.
Evil?
Evil men that shy away from their mistakes. That is what they do.
How? Evil? How? I don't understand.
You want to know what he did to me?
No, tell me.
At my lowest time, when I needed him the most,
Yeah.
went to my house, packed all my properties, and sold them.
What?
Yes, he even went up to the extent of telling the doctor that is treating me to kill me.
No.
Yes! You want to inherit all my wealth. You want to be rich overnight.
What? Sammy did that to you?
He did it. Go home, ask him.
What?
It's okay. So, have you called a mechanic?
Yeah, he's on his way here.
Okay, so you can't stand here for security reasons.
Yeah.
Okay? So please go into the car, okay? So I need to go now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
So I'll see you.
Yeah.
Please, if you reach home, ask him what I told you. Okay?
Okay.
So just go into the car for security reasons.
Alright.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Beware, them know the right time for face, right time for face. So who's afraid? Who's afraid? You never know till everything changes. Who's afraid? Who's afraid? You never know till everything changes. Yeah. Who's afraid? Who's afraid?
Oh,
Be welcome.
yeah, how are you?
I'm good.
Please, get my food ready. I did not do lunch today because of my busy schedule.
I met Jason today.
Cindy, I said I'm very hungry. I had a long day.
Why didn't you want to tell me what was going on between you and Jason?
Cindy, I don't want to get mad at you. I'm very hungry.
Did you ask Dr. George to remove Jason's life support when he was in coma in the hospital? Did you ask him to do that? Oh, you're shocked. You didn't know they were going to tell him?
I'm sure Nurse Clara told her that.
Why are you so mean? Why are you wicked? How can you do this to your best friend? Don't even think you tried to steal from your best friend. Why? Samuel, who are you? Who are you?
If you ask me one more question, I will hit you very hard.
Hit me! Hit me!
I should hit
You're
you?
so evil and mean. I don't want. I'm done with you. I'm done with this relationship. You're evil.
I should hit you.
How can you be this wicked? Hit me!
I should hit you.
Hit me! Hit me! Hit me!
Come on, you mad? Come on, leave this house. Leave this house. Come on, stay here. Come on, stay here. Are you mad? Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Are you mad? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Are you mad? Are you crazy? What's the problem? Why would it be trying to get to me in my own house? In my own house, why?
You want to kill me? You wicked man, murderer, evil man.
You're still calling me a murderer?
Evil man.
You're still calling me a
You're
murderer?
a murderer. Evil.
Some of them will be there when it's good, but then they envy you. Okonye mama do lebo madu. That's the law of the game. They are always close to you.
Victoria. My son's wedding to the love of his life was successful. I can't believe I have a daughter-in-law now. And my son has a very good wife. Victoria, very soon you are going to have grandchildren. And I know I will make a very good mother-in-law and a good grandmother. So help me God.
I found the one I want. She is the one I need. No one else will do. She's everything I want. I owe you all my life. You gave me all your strength. I cannot look away anymore. You are the one for me. Your love has found me, changed my whole life, giving me a chance to love you. Your love has found me, changed my whole life. Take my hand, never let go, never let go. In my deepest hour, 'cause you've shown me light, and that is where I wanna stay. Now my eyes are open wide, now I can see the one that loved me for who I am, not what I am. Na 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 na. Your love